Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the phone manager, and right here we have to enter Tools. Now let's scroll down to find this app security section. Here we've got installations from external sources. So let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. We can see that the drive is turned on, which means that I've previously allowed it to install some things. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the switcher on particular app and tap on allow. And as you can see, from now on the Chrome is also active, which means that it is also allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because third-party apps basically aren't verified by the developers usually. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, none of those apps are allowed to install something. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.